All right. This should be a very quick update. The market did hit a brand new all-time high today, and SPY was up 1.24%, and we blasted right through my price target. And you could see the trajectory that I had was that we would have a little mild pullback, and then we would go to this new all-time high. And above 525, I'm looking for 534. Now, keep in mind, a lot of people will be speculating about pullbacks and corrections, but keep in mind that noise will come from the same people who told you this was just a lower high bounce before we were going a lot lower. And those are the people that always say we're going lower. So just block out the noise and follow your chart. As you can see, following the chart has been very accurate. We had the bull trend, which I told you many times. We had the bull breakout above 507, and the rest is history. And we're absolutely crushing this market by simply just being objective, unbiased traders. And in a bull trend, that means we're buying dips and waiting until prices go higher. So right now, even if we do get a pullback, we're looking for a pullback only to about 523 to 525. And then from there, we're likely going to continue pushing higher into the 530s. So stay bull while we have this bull breakout at brand new all-time highs above 523. If we break below 523, then you can get risk off. And remember, as I always tell you, it's very easy to move in and out of your trades. You're a retailer and you should be moving like water. On the NASDAQ 100 triple Qs, we were up 1.56% today, and we did hit the price target at 448. And I told you we were likely breaking through that, hit the brand new all-time high price target at 453, and that's exactly what we did. So even if we get a pullback now, we're just coming back down to retest the breakout between 446 and 448. But there's no reason we have to. Just keep in mind that is the destination where you should be managing your risk as you stay long in this bull trend. And yes, it is a bull trend, so we are likely going to continue pushing higher as long as we can hold above this breakout at 448. If we continue higher above 453, I'm looking for 461 next. On the Dow Jones, we were up 0.94% today, and we're very close to the price target at 400. And I think we're going to have a couple price targets here between 400 and 402. And then above that, I'll be looking for above 407. Stay bull above the breakout at 397. And if we break below that, you can also stay bull above the gap fill at 396. And once more, we are at brand new all-time highs. So all of the indices did break out to a brand new all-time high today. On the Russell 2000 IWM ETF, we were up 1.25% today, and we are pushing higher towards that price target at 210. And then above 210, I'll be looking for 214. So stay bull while we're above 207. On the ARKK ETF, we were up 1.44% today, and we did get one bull breakout above 45.7. But as you can see, we are getting rejected below a negatively sloping 50 EMA. And overall, this is still a downtrend while we're below 47. So in order to get bullish on ARKK from this price, we need to see that bull breakout above 47 and then start to continue pushing higher towards 50. On the VIX, we were down 7.23% today, and the VIX did crush back down to the zone. I was expecting around 12.8, and this is exactly where we expect the VIX to stay while we're in a bull trend. And remember, we don't have to see the VIX spiking out of here. A lot of people are used to that because of the bear market of 2022, but in a bull market, the VIX is just going to chop around down here in the low 13s, and that just means we're in a low fear bull trend, and that's very apparent with the indices pushing to a brand new all-time high today. On Bitcoin, we're currently trading above 66,000, and we are getting the bull breakout above 65,000, and it is happening on increasing volume. So it does look like the bull scenario is going to win out here with the higher low bounce from the breakout above 65,000. And from here, I do think we're going to start pushing higher towards 75,000. So stay bull above 65,000 or bull above 61,000, which is the higher low bounce. On Nvidia stock, we're up 3.58% today, and we're well on our way towards the price target between 994 and 1032. And as I've said many times, I do think we're going to get there before earnings. So right now, you're staying bull above 927, and that means we'll likely see a brand new all-time high soon. On Tesla stock, we were down 2% today, and Tesla is getting a pullback to test the breakout. And as long as we can hold above support between 171 and 173, I think we will get a higher low, which means we'll bounce higher, break the resistance at 185, and then start higher towards the price target at 207 and then into the 220s. So you can stay bull above 167 to 173 and then just get risk off if we break down below them because we're likely still in a downtrend. On Apple stock, we're up 1.22% today, and we did get the confirmation of the bull breakout with the second day above 186, and we did hit the price target at 190. But as you can tell from the arrow, I actually think we're going to 195. So get confirmation with the break above 190, and then we'll be well on our way towards 195, and we're staying bull above 186. So jumping back over to the S&P 500, I do believe these all-time highs were well broadcasted. I talked about it many times before it happened. And if you're a Stocks Channel Discord member, you've seen the members only video. And you know I predicted these all-time highs before we even had a first day of trading in May with the members only video that came out at the end of April. So a lot of people will think the market is rigged and the market is just moving against them to hurt their trades. But I can assure you that is not the case. If you're losing in this market, you're ignoring the chart, and the chart has been very clear. And this has been a very technically sound market. There's just a lot of bear bias in the market currently, and a lot of people are buying into that noise and they're ignoring the chart. So remember, if you are a price action trader, you have to listen to your chart and absolutely nothing else. There was lots of talk about how PPI data was too hot and the market couldn't go higher, and how inflation is too high and the market shouldn't be going higher, but here we are and the market still continues to go higher. Follow your chart and nothing else, the rest is noise, and as always, manage your risk around these critical levels. If you want to come crush the market with me, you can join my Stocks Channel Discord server where you'll get access to all of my intraday updates, technical analysis, as well as my trade ideas, and you can find out how to join my Discord server by clicking on the link in the description of this video. So thank you for watching, everybody. I hope you're crushing this market, and as always, I will see you in the next episode.